automotive industry is on the cusp of a transformative era dominated by electric vehicles, EVs, and advanced automotive technologies. However, recent announcements from four major car manufacturers, General Motors, GM, Porsche, Toyota, and Ford, hint at a potential pivot that could dramatically alter the EV market's trajectory. These companies have unveiled groundbreaking engines that promise to revolutionize the automotive landscape, casting a shadow of uncertainty over the future of EVs. Before we dive in, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to our channel for more updates. First up was Mary Barra, CEO of GM, who introduced an innovative engine design poised to redefine fuel efficiency and performance standards. Under Barra's leadership, GM has been a strong advocate for EV technology, investing billions into electric platforms like the Ultium battery system. Yet, this new engine represents a strategic diversification, blending the best aspects of traditional internal combustion engines, ICE, with cutting-edge advancements in fuel technology. Dubbed the hyper-efficient combustion engine, CHC. This revolutionary design significantly boosts fuel efficiency while drastically reducing harmful emissions. The CHC engine integrates advanced thermal management systems and lightweight materials, ensuring unparalleled performance without compromising environmental goals. Barra's announcement underscored GM's commitment to reducing carbon emissions while maintaining the infrastructure and technology that have sustained the automotive industry for over a century. Following GM's announcement, Porsche CEO Oliver Blume introduced an equally astounding engine that blends the brand's legendary performance with unprecedented fuel economy. Porsche, synonymous with luxury and high-performance sports cars, has been a vocal advocate for sustainability, pioneering hybrid and EV technologies like the Taycan. Blume unveiled the Advanced Turbocharged Hybrid, ATH, an engine that combines a small yet powerful turbocharged ICE with an electric motor. This combination delivers instantaneous torque and power while maintaining exceptional fuel efficiency. The ATH engine features a state-of-the-art energy recovery system that captures and reuses energy typically lost during braking and deceleration, further enhancing overall efficiency. Blume emphasized that this engine is not just about raw power, but creating a harmonious balance between performance, efficiency, and sustainability. Toyota CEO Koji Sato then took the spotlight, unveiling an engine that aligns with the company's long-standing commitment to hybrid technology and environmental stewardship. Toyota has been a pioneer in hybrid vehicles since the introduction of the Prius, and Sato's announcement highlights the company's dedication to continuous innovation. The new Hybrid Synergy Drive Plus, HSD Plus, engine represents the next evolution in hybrid technology, aiming to provide a seamless driving experience with minimal environmental impact. The HSD Plus engine integrates a more efficient ICE with an enhanced electric motor, delivering improved fuel economy and lower emissions. What sets this engine apart is its ability to operate in multiple modes, seamlessly switching between pure electric and hybrid based on driving conditions. This flexibility ensures that drivers can enjoy the benefits of electric propulsion in urban environments while still having the range and convenience of a traditional engine for long-distance travel. Sato highlighted that the HSD Plus engine embodies Toyota's philosophy of Kaizen, or continuous improvement, pushing the boundaries of hybrid technology. The final announcement came from Ford CEO Jim Farley, who introduced an engine that promises to revolutionize the concept of power and efficiency in the automotive industry. Ford, a company with a rich history of innovation and performance, has been actively pursuing electrification with models like the Mustang Mach-E and the F-150 Lightning. Farley's presentation unveiled the EcoBoost Max, an engine that challenges the very foundations of the EV revolution. This engine employs a sophisticated combination of advanced turbocharging, direct fuel injection, and variable valve timing to deliver unprecedented power and fuel efficiency. The EcoBoost Max engine also features a unique dual-mode system that allows it to operate in either a high-performance mode or an ultra-efficient mode depending on the driver's needs. Farley emphasized that this engine is designed to provide an exhilarating driving experience while addressing the environmental concerns driving the push toward electrification. The announcements from these four automotive giants have sparked intense debate and speculation within the industry. While the engines unveiled by GM, Porsche, Toyota, and Ford represent significant advancements in internal combustion technology, they also raise critical questions about the future of the EV market. Are these new engines a sign that traditional automakers are hedging their bets against the full-scale adoption of electric vehicles, or do they represent a strategic effort to provide a more balanced and versatile approach to sustainable transportation? One of the key advantages of these new engines is their ability to leverage existing infrastructure. Unlike EVs, which require extensive investments in charging networks and grid enhancements, these advanced combustion engines can be seamlessly integrated into the current refueling ecosystem. This means consumers can enjoy improved fuel efficiency and reduced emissions without the inconvenience and expense of building new infrastructure. Furthermore, these engines address persistent challenges associated with EVs, such as range anxiety and charging times. While EV technology has made significant strides, issues related to battery life, charging speed, and availability of charging stations remain significant barriers to widespread adoption. The new engines from GM, Porsche, Toyota, and Ford offer a compelling alternative, providing the convenience and reliability of traditional engines with modern advancements. However, the impact of these new engines on the EV market cannot be underestimated. The announcements come at a time when many countries are setting ambitious targets for phasing out internal combustion engines in favor of electric vehicles. The European Union, for instance, has proposed a ban on the sale of new petrol and diesel cars by 2035, while several US states have introduced similar measures. The introduction of highly efficient and environmentally friendly combustion engines could complicate these efforts, potentially delaying the transition to an all-electric future. Critics argue that these new engines represent a step backward in the fight against climate change, diverting resources and attention away from the development of zero-emission vehicles. They contend that the focus should remain on advancing battery technology, expanding charging infrastructure, and promoting policies that support the rapid adoption of EVs. Proponents of the new engines, on the other hand, argue that a diversified approach to sustainable transportation is essential, especially in regions where the transition to EVs may be slower due to economic or logistical challenges. The strategic implications for the automakers themselves are also profound. By introducing these new engines, GM, Porsche, Toyota, and Ford are positioning themselves as leaders in both traditional and electric automotive technologies. This dual approach allows them to cater to a broader range of consumer preferences and market conditions, potentially giving them a competitive edge over companies solely focused on EVs. Moreover, these announcements could influence the strategies of other automakers. Companies heavily investing in EV technology may need to reassess their plans in light of these new developments, intensifying the pressure to innovate and stay competitive, leading to further advancements in both combustion and electric technologies. The revelations from GM, Porsche, Toyota, and Ford mark a significant moment in the ongoing evolution of the automotive industry. The advanced engines they have introduced promise exceptional performance, fuel efficiency, and environmental benefits, challenging the narrative that electric vehicles are the sole solution to sustainable transportation. While the long-term impact of these engines on the EV market remains to be seen, there is no doubt that they represent a bold and innovative step forward. As the industry continues to navigate this period of rapid change, the balance between traditional and electric propulsion technologies will play a crucial role in shaping the future of mobility. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Also, leave your comments below and tell us, do you think these new engines will really outpace EVs? Sure, we want to hear from you. Thank you for watching and see you next time.